Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking scorpion from Mortal Kombat 11. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this version of scorpion, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're going to draw in just 2 lines across first. It's going to be a little bit smaller, and then the corner just slant it in. And then from there, let's see, we can go out on the other corner. And then 1 line on the bottom, just kind of connect everything. And then for his eyebrows, we're just gonna go right above. Just gonna add almost like a little, just kind of slant up and kind of dip down on the corner a little bit. Just go up and then slight dip on the back. And then once you have that, we're just gonna give it some thickness. Just go up, come all the way out, and then for the corner here, just connect it. Okay, so go up, come across, just dip it down and just connect that. It's a little bit of a tricky shape to draw. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in his mask. So right in the middle, right in between the eyes, you can make a little dot and just slant down right around here. And then on the side here, we're going to come out, draw the side of the mask first. And then once you have these points, we'll just connect those. Alright, and then for the bottom of the mask, just going to turn it in and close it off. And then let's add in the details a little bit later. Let's draw in the little hoodie first. So we're gonna go up, right in the middle. We're gonna slant down and just kind of connect to the corner first. Connect to the corner of the mask. And then once we have that, we're gonna extend it. Extend it right around here. And then we're gonna come down past his chin, his jaw, and then we're gonna close it off. So this is gonna be like the collar. And then once we have that on the inside, let's draw like a little curve. Okay, and then to finish up the hoodie, just go up. And then we're gonna draw the outside. So this one's gonna slant down. And then we're gonna connect these. So you should have a little slant right here. Okay, so that's the hardest part to do. And then once we have all this, we're just gonna add in some details. So on the inside here, this one's easy. We're just gonna draw 2 lines. In the middle here, let's add in those cool little shape. 2 lines and then go out and just come back in. So like 2 little sharp triangles. And then on the side here, just draw a little angle like this first. And then once you have that, from the corner, just draw a curve, corner to corner. Okay, and then lastly, if you want to add in a little bit more detail on the hoodie, on the corner here, draw 1 line slanting in. And then we'll add 2 more, 1 on the top and on the bottom. Alright, so let's move on because there's a lot of details and we need to be able to simplify the character. Alright, so let's draw on the shoulder, and he's got some really cool armoring. So we're going to slant out and come back to the middle right here. We'll come down straight. And then on the outside here, we're going to curve in or slant in. And then we're going to connect that with a little bit of an angle here. So basically 2 big shoulder pads. And then once we have that, right in the center here, let's draw 1 circle. another one inside, so we're gonna make this a ring. And then from the circle here, just draw 2 lines, so there's 1 band connecting to the outside shoulder pads. Alright, so now let's add in the body shape first before we add more details to this. So right around here, this is gonna be the armpit, right below that. And then we're gonna draw 1 slant going down all the way to his waist. Connect this. We're adding 1 section for the belt. And let's just go ahead and finish up the belt buckle here. So just 2 lines, and then in the center, just gonna draw a little rectangle. Alright, so now let's finish up the details in here. So on the side here, this is gonna be his clothing, just right here. Just draw 1 line. I know it's kind of thin here, so just pick a little spot here and just go all the way down to the side. And then right here, we're gonna slant all the way across. And just continue this line behind the little strap there. And then now there's gonna be, his clothing's gonna fold in here. So this one's gonna be tucked in here. And same thing. Continue that. And then let's just add in a border around this line. And then same thing on the other side. And then on the outside here, on the edges, we'll add in a border as well. So his clothing has a lot of little details. Alright, and then for the shoulder pad here, we're just gonna add in another line, pretty much the same thing as this shape here. So come down, and then just angle it, close it off. So same thing here, just follow it, close it off. And then for some extra detail, we can add in 1 little strap here in the center and just keep going out. So draw 1 here, just kind of keep going out. Alright, so we'll stop there and let's move on to his arms. So here's his armpit. Here's his shoulder coming down. And here's the bicep angle. Start back up here. So a little bracket. And we can close it off first. And then the lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna curve. This one's gonna come in. Close it off. And then now for his fist, little hook. Back of the fist, just turn it and close it. Alright, so let's draw on the other side before we add in the details here. So same thing here, here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. Bicep, come up here, bracket. Close it off, and then same thing here, flare out. And then this one's gonna curve. This one's gonna come in. Then for this one, I'm gonna have him dangle his little spear, so it's a little bit different, his hand. So we're gonna come down, just 2 lines like that for his thumb. Then we're gonna just turn and go up. And then from here, 1 slant. Back of the palm. And then for his finger here, I'm just gonna come in. So just kind of follow on the outside and just round it off. And then let's add a little bit more detail on the more fingers here. Just add like a little bit of an angle there. And then we're gonna see the tip of the finger inside. So we're just a little dome shape in there. Alright, so now let's add in some details to the upper body here. So this part is actually his armor. So I'm gonna take this corner, which is gonna go straight up. And then here we'll add in one little strap, one line coming through here, and then for this part here, just come toward the middle and then go out to the knuckles. Okay, so same thing here. So we're gonna come across one strap in the middle. On this one, we're gonna come into the middle and we're gonna go out right around here to his knuckle. Yeah, it should be pretty cool once I color it, and we'll be able to see it a little bit better. Alright, so for his lower body, it's got a cloth right here in the middle. So we're gonna draw just two slants coming in and then just close it off first. And then we're gonna add a little bit of border. We'll simplify it, we'll add one line across, and in the middle, you can put a little point and then just kind of go out. And then now we can draw in his thigh. So here, go out, come in, right here. So in the middle, we can't see it because of the cloth. So we're just gonna come down, close it off, and then for the knee pads here, the armor, it's almost like a box. I'm just making it a little bit rounded. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Come out. In the middle here, just come toward out. Close it, and then same thing here. And then let's add in a little bit of detail here. So we're just gonna draw in two little slant going out for his clothing. Alright, so now for the lower leg, and we'll keep it simple. Just flare out, curve, and this one's almost straight down. Close it, and then for his shoe, just a dome shape. So just come out a little bit more on this side and then close it off. Same thing here, curve, straight down, close it. Come on more on this side. And then lastly for his little spear, so just kind of come down, and it's gonna be kind of like in the middle somewhere. Just draw like a little two lines and then maybe a little circle right underneath. And then for the spear itself, flare out and then just come to a point. And that is it for this version of Scorpion. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.